Hi guys.
Hello. We're gonna do funny noises, and maybe you know how to do this one. I need to, oh, that was weird.
Coronavirus.
I don't know how I do it. Like under pressure, I can't do it as easy. Wait, man. Can you do that? Can you do that? Sounds like water dripping in a bucket. I need practice. Oh. I don't know. It's good to hang out. Oh, it's good to hang out with little kids.